So I'm super excited to give you behind the scenes exclusive look at the construction site of the Royal Atlantis today. We're going to go and see a selection of apartments and also going to go up the top there to the 37th floor. So let's go and have a look. Wow, this is my first sneak peek of what's going to be the new show apartment. I'm so excited to have a look. Let's check out these views. So not only does this apartment have amazing palm views, it also has epic sea views. Okay, Kathy, can we go and check out the 37th floor? And this is one of my favorite spots in the whole project. This is the 37th floor, and just check out those views. I am literally beyond excited. I am standing in the sky pool that's located on the 22nd floor, and it's going to be one of the best spots to be in Dubai when it's finished. Sits between the residential component and the hotel component, and it is going to be amazing when it's done. So we're now in the main lobby of the hotel, which is vast. And this is one of my favorite features. It's actually a glass lift that's going to be covered in water, and it takes you up to the mezzanine floor. It's going to be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek of the construction site of the Royal Atlantis. I, for one, can't wait to see it finish next year, and also show you all our amazing show apartment that will be coming in early 2021. So I hope you enjoyed.